Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by unlocking the phone and heading straight into Settings. This saves time. Once done, either long press an empty area on the home screen or open Settings and search Home Screen. You need to know which launcher you're using, because options vary. Samsung One UI versus Google's launcher behave differently. Make sure you can access home screen settings. If you can't, grant the settings or launcher permission when prompted, so you can change layout lock options without interruption. You now locate the specific toggle that prevents layout changes. It's often labeled Lock Home Screen Layout or Prevent Changes to Layout. Tap Home Settings, scroll to the Layout or Advanced section and switch that toggle off. Why? Because the device saves icon positions when locked. Turning it off enables drag, remove, and widget actions. If the option is hidden, open the Launcher App Settings from the App Info page and look under Permissions or Advanced Settings for the same control. You finish by rebooting the device, then try dragging an icon or adding a widget to confirm the layout is editable. If you still can't change anything, clear the launcher cache or data from app's launcher storage. This resets layout settings. As a fallback, install an alternate launcher like Nova or Launcher and set it as default. That usually restores control. If nothing works, factory reset is last resort, but first back up your data, because that will erase accounts and apps.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.